welcome everyone to this week's Stellar Developer Meeting. Today I have a very busy guest who fortunately made the time to come here today. It's Andre from RampMeDaddy, and I'm going to let him on the stage as well. Hello, Andre.
Hi, Garsten. Thanks for having me. Great to be here. Hi, everyone.
Yeah, great to have you here. You've been very busy. I met you in San Francisco on Monday, and it seems like a lot of things are going on. But can you maybe just start by introducing yourself and your team and what you're working on?
Yeah, absolutely happy to. My name is Andre. I'm the co-founder CEO of RampMeDaddy. RampMeDaddy was born at a consensus hackathon hosted by Easy A guys. I mean, amazing time, amazing. It was a lot of fun, and we rode that wave of fun for the past 7 months at this point. That has turned into a real company that's seeing real traction. We're getting a lot of positive feedback. RampMeDaddy right now is a Telegram digital wallet designed for global payments and for meme coin trading. Meme coins have been super hot, and and more and more chains are picking it up. So we're super excited about that. Ultimately, the goal is to be multi-chain wallet for meme coins. But when it comes to payments, that's something that we started RampMeDaddy at the core of sending global payments, and we want to make it as easy as sending a text message. And Stellar has been extremely helpful with that.
Great. So how far along are you in the process? I know you've been working hard on it for quite some time, but what is the status today? How far along are you?
Yeah, no, it's so today, actually, this call I'm doing out of the Draper University building facility. We are just wrapping up our Draper University accelerator. So we did a 3-week pre-accelerator back in August. That was amazing time. Had a very big impact on what we're building. Got to meet a lot of amazing people. Well, actually, I think that's when we met for the first time and actually got to work together. But we were also able to meet Danelle. We were able to pitch to Tim Draper. We were able to accomplish a lot of things in just 3 weeks. After that, I think we showed our strength. We got people interested in what we're building, and Draper University and Stellar invited us back to the official accelerator. That's not 3 weeks, it's 12 weeks. And we have been just crushing it here with a team of 10 other companies, building innovative products. And the idea, the reason that we decided to go with Telegram in the first place is because Telegram has 1 billion users worldwide, and a lot of these users are in there's a lot in the United States, but there's users from everywhere in the world. I think there's a number of groups that I'm an active participant in, with people from I think we did some calculations, and it's about 40 countries. So I think it's amazing that Telegram brings it all together, and we figured, well, let's see how we can facilitate payments inside that. And but before we get into payments, obviously we need to be able to on-ramp on chain. So at the hackathon, we built the on-ramping solution, and we kind of have iterated a number of I don't want to say pivot, because pivot usually to me sounds like you were doing something, now you're doing something else. I think we just refined and reiterated on our idea to hit both. I mean, it's to hit both functionality and revenue, and those are two important pieces of any business. And I think we're finally at a point where they're put together, and it makes sense.
Okay, we were trying to get a screen share going. Did you get it to work?
Yeah, let's. I think so.
It would be fun to see it in action.
Yeah, so I guess let me start with so RampMeDaddy is a Telegram wallet that we're still building. I would say, I think our CTO will be not super happy with me, but I'll say maybe 4 to 6 weeks is left. So we're going to roll it out. But I think there's a big strategy to how you roll things out, because you can spend all of this time and then roll out a product and then start driving traffic to that product. When it's live, we decided to take a different approach. We decided to roll out a teaser game inside Telegram. It's a very simple game. You just guess if the Bitcoin price is going to go up or down. You tap on it, and then 5 seconds later, it tells you if you won or lost. If you won, you get 10 points. If you lost, you get 5 points deducted. So that's the game in a nutshell. We have been seeing a lot of traction and a lot of positive feedback on that game, and it's amazing to see how we're just walking around Draper University. I would be passing by someone and I see someone sitting on the couch tapping, playing the game. So that's the idea. We were able to secure a couple of partnerships with other Telegram games that have communities of millions of people. I think between all of the partners that we have right now, there's 50 million people in the community for those games. And we have a very strategic partnership where they will drive traffic to our game, and that will engage players with our game, and we get to tap into the $50 million community. 50 million people community in those games. So and then after the players are happy and they're excited with the game, they're familiar with the brand, then we'll start promoting the wallet to these clients, and we expect it to be a much simpler conversion to get people to use the wallet. So there's a strategy for the game. It might seem like, okay, well, what does the game have to do with that? But we put a lot of thought into it and did a lot of research and the client feedback too before we built it. So, but yeah, happy to share. I just wanted to give some background so people are not confused about what's going on here. So let me try to share my Telegram window. So if you go to, are you able to see my Telegram window?
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's see. So if you go at RampMeDaddy bot and you type this in, RampMeDaddy bot, you can click start and you can hit launch. We launch the game. And are you able to see the game?
No, I don't see the game.
Oh man.
It's probably because it's a window that's shared, not the screen.
Yeah, let me try to share the other screen. So, but you saw how we hit the
launch button.
The launch button. Let's see. So after you hit the launch button, the full screen. Let's see. I wonder if this is going to work. It's not going to look as good as it looks on the. Okay, let's see. Are you able to see the game now?
Yeah, we see the game.
Okay, sweet. So, I mean, obviously it looks a lot more organized on the screen because it's just the screen size, but you can see the Bitcoin price change in here, and then I would guess that it's going up. 5 seconds passes by, a loss. That's why I don't do a lot of day-to-day trading, but keep going, keep trying, and win. So, and this is basically it in the nutshell. What we found to be very exciting for people is the leaderboard. And funny enough, we have Erod, I hope I'm saying it right, with his stellar logo, which is super, super exciting. And what's even more exciting is that there's 2 people who play this game more than I do. And I feel like I refer so many people to this game. But, you know, we have my co-founder, Trevor Hoffman. He shows it a lot, sends it to a lot of people. But these 2 guys have absolutely crushed it. And it's amazing to see this support from these people. So you get 10 points for guessing the price right. You get 5 points deducted for guessing it wrong. And you can also invite friends. So this is a very important feature for us for the future of the product development for the wallet itself. We allow you to earn points every time you refer a friend, and if you click invite friends, it gives you a customized link that you can share with your friends. But other than that, this is the game. It's not a crazy amount of stuff that has been that has been built, but it is an engaging, fun game that has been allowing us to attract clients and talk to clients to get their feedback and see what they want in the market.
I think it's personally, I think it's a brilliant idea. It's a great way to get some people excited, get some awareness around what you're building and your brand, and something that I've always noticed. I'm actually surprised you're not wearing your RampMeDaddy cap today. You got the T-shirt.
Yeah.
Because you guys are always promoting your business, always. I've heard, so I personally experienced it. Like Monday when we had the event in San Francisco, there was RampMeDaddy napkins, there was RampMeDaddy water bottles, there was everywhere. And when you guys said that it was time to go out and get changed for the event, I was thinking, okay, maybe they're going to show up in suits today, but no. It was T-shirts with RampMeDaddy all over it, and
yeah, no, it's. I mean, I think it's worth mentioning, talking about the gecko.
Yeah,
and the idea.
I even heard a story from one of the other participants from Draper U. There was something about that. You guys went out to eat at a restaurant, and I guess they were out on napkins or something, and then out of your bag you pull napkins with RampMeDaddy QR code and logos on it.
Yeah. We tried to get creative with the branding. I think there is. I mean, I think when it comes to branding, it could be a very expensive and resource consuming, really bottomless pit of just branding and marketing money that you can put in. And we know that firsthand from our previous company that we were at, iTrust. Amazing brand, the strongest brand, and it's very important for iTrust was doing crypto IRAs. But unfortunately, we don't have the budget of iTrust Capital, right? So we have been trying to come up with the creative strategies to do brand awareness without spending a lot of money on it. And I think that's a strong that has to be present for a founder to be successful to scale a retail-facing product.
Yeah, I completely agree. And I've sometimes had discussions with other founders in the crypto blockchain space, and sometimes they have a difficult time onboarding non-crypto people or non-crypto users. And I think by introducing the game first and by creating some awareness, some curiosity around your brand, I think it's a great way to onboard people who are maybe not super much into crypto or meme coins and get them excited about it. And I think that's something that I think is really going to be interesting to follow you guys and see you gain some traction, get those people that may not be super familiar with having coins or tokens or NFTs, make it more like an everyday thing. I think you're doing a great job with that. So yeah, it'll be interesting to follow. We only have a few minutes left, but I'm super curious about what does your timeline look like when it comes to the wallet and be able to have to use meme coins.
So the timeline for the wallet is I am personally hoping for about 6 weeks, and I so far I think we've been very strong on delivering everything that we promise on time. So we're trying to stick to that history and traction. But we have been there's no shortage of stuff to do while the product is not out. And I think establishing strong presence and brand is definitely one of those things, which is what we've been working on very hard. As far as the wallet and the meme coins, we are going to launch in the next 6 weeks with a set of with most likely with a closed beta for some of the users to give us feedback, and we've been moving towards that.
That's super exciting. Okay, I think that's all we have time for today, but I would love to do a follow-up when you hit maybe when you hit testnet or hit the mainnet, maybe do a follow-up and see how it looks like. But so far it's been super exciting to follow your journey and see the hustle you do to get people excited about it. I think that's something a lot of startups can learn a lot from. So thank you so much for joining today.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. And our goal is to drive adoption for crypto and blockchain, which is extremely hard to do if you have to worry about all the seed phrases, all of these crypto native things. And as you know, I want people. I already got my mom pretty involved in crypto. She has crypto in her IRA. She has crypto wallets. She does all of that. My next goal is to get my grandma involved. And she's going to be a client of a customer of RampMeDaddy, and she'll be trading memes. So that's the goal, and that's what we're working towards.
That's amazing. Okay, thank you so much for joining today, and I'm looking forward to doing a follow-up when you have more to share. I think that could be interesting to do.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. That was all we had time for today for the regular Stellar developer meeting. In about 5 minutes, we'll shift over to Discord, where we have a protocol discussion today, and both this meeting and the protocol discussion meeting will be available as a recording later. So thank you for joining, everyone. Bye.